In this movie, we're replacing the Evolis printer using a 5/32 Allen wrench. The printer is secured with 4 button socket cap screws and 3 connection cables. First, we'll remove the screws using the 5/32 Allen wrench, then we'll disconnect the 3 cables. We'll lift the printer out, replace it, then reconnect the 3 cables and reinsert the 4 screws. Press and hold the power button on the front of the EC2000 and wait for the machine to shut down completely before you unplug the power and data cables. Unlock the top cover using the barrel key. Slide the cover halfway, then gently pull one side out at a time so that it extends all the way out toward the back. Using a 5/32 Allen wrench, remove the 4 screws securing the printer to the base plate of the EC2000. There is 1 screw in each corner of the printer. We're starting with the 2 on the XY side. This is the left side of the printer if you're facing the front of the ExpressCard 2000. The other 2 screws are located on the opposite side, closest to the card hoppers. Behind the printer, closest to the back of the EC2000, are 2 connections. Remove the USB cable, then remove the power plug. There is 1 more connection at the front left of the printer for the card exit sensor. Once all 3 cables are disconnected, you may carefully lift the printer out and up from the EC2000. Clear any cables out of the way. The printer should be lined up with the 4 slots on the base plate so that its release tab is closest to the card hoppers. Carefully lower the new printer at a slight angle and slowly straighten it out as you lower it down into the slots. Once the printer is correctly locked into place, the screw insert sockets should be visibly lined up. Before replacing the screws, reconnect the front cable for the card exit sensor, as well as the USB connection to J31 behind the printer. The third and last connection is for the black power cord. Insert and tighten each of the 4 screws to secure the printer to the base plate. Fold the top cover forward so that it's about halfway closed, and carefully reinsert one side at a time so that it can slide all the way closed. Lock the cover and remove the key.